Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Webflow for no-code app pages step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Webflow website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be presented with options to register using an email address or sign in via Google. If you choose to register with an email, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and enter it in the appropriate field. Make sure to read and accept the terms of service and the privacy policy. Click the Get Started button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Webflow. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, return to the Webflow website. You may be prompted to complete a profile setup. Fill in your name and any other required information. Now, select your area of interest, such as building websites or starting a project. Choose any additional preferences based on your experience level. Click Continue to finalize your profile setup. You are now directed to your Webflow dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. To start creating a no-code app page, click on the New Project button. Select a template that suits your app's needs or start with a blank canvas. Click Choose to proceed with your selected template. You can now enter the Webflow Designer to begin customizing your app pages. Explore the various tools and features available in Webflow to build your no-code app. Save your work regularly as you develop your project. Once satisfied with your design, publish your app page using the Publish button. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Webflow and started building no-code app pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.